Yesterday, your problems belong to someone else. Yesterday, you said you couldn't do it all by yourself. Yesterday, you woke up and decided I won't go to work. I think my boss is hating me. He's such a jerk. Yesterday, you hit the post up. You said I got nothing but some time. Yesterday, you said, hey man, I feel like getting blind. Yesterday, you blamed the preacher, teacher, family, and your friends.
Hello, this is Janet M. Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet. And in this series, I will be sharing with you a product that can help you get organized. The My Body Passport, I love this product because it helps you really stay totally organized. It was designed so that all of your important and vital information is just in one location. As you can see, your emergency contacts. Also, in the case of an emergency, things you need to know about your body. And then, of course, I love this, my past medical history and my past surgical history. How many times have you gone to a doctor and they've asked you questions and you just had to really think about dates and procedures, etc. So this is a great product. Not only that, it slips into this nice little plastic sleeve which has magnets on the back so you can mount it on your refrigerator for easy access. Again, this is the My Body Passport that can help you truly stay totally organized. Hope you have enjoyed this product segment. To get more information about this product or other products that can help you organize your home, your office, and your life, please visit my website at www.janetmtaylor.com. Until next time, have a clutter-free day.
Yesterday, your problems belong to someone else. Yesterday, you said